Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Musliana. I'm a student in Communication Science, Malikus Saleh University. I want to tell later about my hometown. Let's see this video until it's on us. I live in Blangmanya Village, Aceh Province, Sawang Sub-District, not Aceh District. Blangmanya Village is village that is very easy to visit, but has cool and comfortable air for everyone who enjoys it. The livelihood of my village community usually work as farmer and many also work as renter. The daily activities of the community here besides working in the fields and gardens, there are those who become teachers and there are also those who go to college and school. In the village of Blangmanya is also equipped with the beauty of the river with clean and natural water. Don't wonder if you want to linger in this village. The full story. Let's watch this video until the end.
I will tell about my hometown. Even though I still live in the village, but I always remember the story of my childhood in my hometown. My hometown is located in a remote area of the village. The atmosphere in my village is very cool and comfortable. In the morning, there are people who go to work, college, school, and much more. My hometown is a very charming place. I was born in a small village in the sub-district of Sawang. Like other children born in the village, we play very happily, far from the hustle and bustle of the metropolitan city. When I was a child, when we were in school on Sunday, we will be busy in the rice field, help parents prepare seeds, lands, and others. The livelihoods of the people of Blangmanya village are mostly farmers. In general, the villager our daily life is colored in the morning by working in the rice field and returning home in the afternoon to rest. Very different from urban areas that are always busy with their activities. Life in the village turned out to be very beautiful. Health was guaranteed, clean air, pure spring water, and food supplies that were still natural. There are also farmers who work as farmers here. They have several chickens, goats, and cows. They always take good care of him, giving food to his livestock chicken every morning. The chicken that always speak singing their distinctive voice awakens the community in its sleep. When dusk arrived for breeders looking for chicken that were still roaming out there chasing each other here like playing hide and seek. The goat and cow breeders also like chicken breeders. They support and care for their livestock, go every morning to look for grass to be fed to their livestock. Sawang district is a produce of agricultural materials which still supplies national needs. When the harvest arrives, it will be lined up trucks carrying agricultural materials to be taken out of the area. Villagers in the district of Sawang are very fertile. One of them is Blangmanya village, which is still in the middle of rice field and forest trees. Around after school, we used to go play in the river. Some talk about, some nutty. Our talk still on a small scale, but enough to make a lesson for us until now. This village looks so beautiful. The compilation of blazing suns appears in the morning. The son of the dawn call to prayer woke a wafer was still asleep in his sleep. The squeak of the rooster crowing in the morning air. The white mist every morning receives aids to see, but feels so soothing. The white fog covered the village. Behind my house, trees are clearly visible in dark green, with its equipped with many trees that are still shady, so it is ready to use. The village was opened with a very strong. No wonder if our village is seen in a protected forest. Looks again, the rice field owned by farmers who are planted with green rice still look very beautiful, wiggling to the right and left following the gusts of wind. And the rice field will also find a lot here. We must be proud to be born in a village. The village teaches us to work hard, prioritizing family, tolerance, cooperation, and that is one of the difference between village and citizen. That is the story of my hometown first. This story will continue to be told from generation to the next generation. Even though sooner or later, it will be disappear in time.
Well, a little story about my hometown. How about you, Arya? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.